Hi guys, welcome to my video channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Huawei Smart Watch, Huawei W1 Classic Smartwatch. This is a Android Wear smartwatch which is in front of me. I'm going to show you what this box contains and how the phone looks like. As far as the technical specifications is concerned, the smartwatch contains is having 500 MB of RAM along with a 4 gigabytes of the internal memory. So it is a smartwatch powered by Android Wear, and I'm just going to show you the box what it contains and show you the smartwatch how it looks like. You can see here model Huawei watch, color stainless steel, band style leather. So the smartwatch is a fully stainless steel with a leather strap, and here is the lovely nice box, and I'm just going to open the box and show you what it contains. Okay, I just cut the seal. Okay, it's a well packed, nicely built phone, looks like, with the packaging, and I'm sure it is going to be, because I know the Huawei, they are maintaining their quality, and of course the stuff what they are selling looks very good and lovely. As you can see, wow, the phone itself is a stainless steel. The case with, wow, such a lovely phone, stainless steel case with super packaging. I love this phone, as it is retail price is in UK 225 at the moment, and it is having all the goodies any Android smartphone is these days, like the internal memory is 4 gigabytes along with 500 MB of the RAM. So the RAM is not that great. As a whole, I felt this smartwatch will do what it is meant for. And well, a lovely nice package. It's leather case, and the strap is lovely black colored strap, the stainless steel case, and on the back of this you can see the charging, wireless charging, where you can just leave on a wireless port charging and it can charge. And as far as the technical details and the first impressions and how it works are going to concern, I am going to make the next video. Please stay tuned for the latest updates and developments, and I'm sure if you like my videos, please leave your comments and subscribe for the latest developments. As I said, I'm going to show you the contents of this box, and this is the charging for the phone, sorry, for the smartwatch, and here is the USB charging cable along with a wireless charging port. So you can leave your smartwatch on this and then it charges overnight, and the far as I know, it can hold for at least 36 hours or maybe one full day of charging it can hold. And other all technical details and the working and some of those details I will show you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to leave your comments and like my videos. Thanks for watching this video. These are the other normal details about warranty cards and usage, how to use all those details about this Huawei W1 classic smart watch. And this is the things it contains: the smartwatch with a stainless steel case with a leather strap, the charging USB charging port, and of course you can also use this power outlet charger, and of course usual the paper documentation and a lovely nice well packaged box. Overall this smartwatch looks very good, and it is all having all that goodies any other smartwatch these days Android Wear smartwatches contains. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments and like my videos. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.